Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in call.com using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a lead source tracking and marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the exact marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Next, add your website to SourceLoop and copy its tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, it is quite simple. You can install a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. Add the code in the header section and then click on Save Changes. If you're using any other CMS, then simply add this code in your site's global header setting. Next, visit call.com, click on Embed and then choose the Inline Embed option and copy this code. You need to embed your call.com meeting form on your website where SourceLoop tracking code is installed. I have already added it on one of my test WordPress website. So we'll test this out. What we will do is we will visit our test website using some UTM parameter related to Google ad. Let's hit enter and then we will navigate to call.com page. Here I book a meeting. So let's choose the date, time, email. I'll fill this as sourceloop.ai and then click on confirm. So our meeting is booked. Now let's go back to SourceLoop and then navigate to the contact section. And as you can see, SourceLoop has captured this contact information with type as meeting. If we go to the right, we can see it has also captured the UTM attribution data that we use in our link. Let's click on preview. And here we will see the entire journey for that lead. Like how we first visited our website, what was the UTM parameter behind that visit, which pages we viewed, which links and button we clicked, and how we eventually became a meeting. SourceLoop can even capture the marketing touchpoint, which does not have any UTM parameter in link. For instance, if someone discovers your website from Google organic search, then read one of your blog, and then eventually book a meeting with you, SourceLoop can still attribute the marketing channel as organic search and the medium as Google, even though there was no UTM parameter in the visited link. SourceLoop also provides pre-built dashboard where you can easily figure out your conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, and other data points. If you're running paid ads on Google Ads and Meta Ads, you can also connect your ad platform and then SourceLoop will be able to show you the exact campaign level performance and the conversion it has captured for each campaign. And then you can enable conversion sync so that SourceLoop can send the qualified leads to this ad platform and ad campaign so that your campaign are optimized based on actual qualified leads data. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.